In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a JPEG, PNG, or PDF letterhead into Microsoft Word, make it fit the full width and height of your page, and type on top of it. This is perfect for creating professional letters, reports, or official documents with ease. So, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open an existing document where you want to add your letterhead. Make sure your page size is set correctly, usually A4 or letter size, by going to Layout and selecting Size. Next, let's insert your letterhead. If your file is a JPEG or PNG, click Insert, then Pictures, and select this device. Browse to your letterhead file and click Insert. If your letterhead is a PDF, you have a couple of options. The easiest way is to convert the PDF into a JPEG or PNG using any free online converter, then insert it as we just did. You can also insert the PDF directly as an object by going to Insert, selecting Object, choosing Create from File, and browsing to your PDF. Keep in mind that inserting a PDF directly may reduce your ability to adjust its position precisely. Now that your letterhead is in the document, we need to make it fit the entire page. Click on the image, then go to Picture Format, then Size. You can drag the corners of the image to stretch it across the page. If needed, uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio so the image stretches exactly to the page width and height. To type on top of the letterhead, go to Picture Format, then Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. This allows you to add your content without disturbing the letterhead. You can click anywhere and start typing, or for more precise placement, insert a text box by going to Insert, then Text Box, and draw Text Box, then position it over the area where you want to type. Before you start typing, check your page margins. Go to Layout, then Margins, and select Custom Margins. Set them to 0 or the minimum allowed. This ensures your text aligns neatly without overlapping important areas of your letterhead, like logos or headers. Finally, to avoid accidentally moving the letterhead, you can lock it. Right-click on the image, select Size and Position, and choose Lock Anchor. Now your letterhead is fixed, and you can type freely on top. And that's it! You now have a full-page letterhead ready to use in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to save a copy of the blank letterhead separately so you can reuse it anytime. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.